What's up, family? How you guys doing today? Awad here from Milky Tech. Today we'll be looking at an awesome true wireless earbuds by Aukey. Let's get this done. Alright, let's get to opening this thing. Incision over here. Let's open this up. First, we're greeted with the product itself, the headphones. We have the charging cable. Over here, there is the replacement ear tips. A warranty card over here. There's a quick starter guide. Let's open this up. It shows you how to charge it, fit it in your ears, and how to pair, and how the function works on the earbuds itself. And lastly, the user manual. Alright, let's take out the charging cable. I hope it's a Type-C port. And it is a micro USB. Come on guys, it's 2020. USB Type-C, please. Over here we have a different size ear tips. Love this customization. So you can always have the perfect seal. And lastly, the earbuds. Open it and take them out. They're held by a magnet. This is the charging case for it. And these are the earbuds. Move these protective plastic off of them. Each one is clearly labeled for which side, right or left. So let's go over some of the tech specs of this earbuds. So the model number for this earbud is the EP-T21. It uses Bluetooth 5 technology, that is the latest Bluetooth. Operating range is about 10 meters or 33 feet. You have about 5 hours of battery life, and the charging time is 2 hours. Battery size in it is 380 milliamp, and the charging case can charge the earbud 4 times. So that gives you up to 25 hours of usage time. To pair it, all you gotta do is take it out of the case and it will start flashing green, red. And now we'll go into the phone. We'll go into Bluetooth settings. We scroll down and just click on it. Wait for pairing. Hit OK to pair. And now we are paired. Let's put them on. And let's test the sound quality. We shall play one of the greatest YouTube videos ever to be recorded. One of my videos. Let's see how it sounds. Okay. Sound quality sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty crisp. And they're not audiophile great, but they do sound pretty good. Let's do a voice recording and see how it sounds. Alright, so we're doing a test of the Aukey earbuds. And hopefully they sound pretty good. And the sound quality is not too bad. For earbuds that are under $30, these sound pretty amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys are interested in this product, the link is in the description. You guys, you know what to do. Smash that like, hit the subscribe button. You got any comment or questions or suggestion, put it in a comment below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.